Confused about selling your home? Wondering what the process looks like? That's alright, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Home Selling Simplified. Here is a step-by-step overview. First, figure out why you want to sell your place and come up with as many questions as you can possibly think of. Next, get a realtor that you're comfortable with and ask them all the questions that you're not sure about. 3. Go over the contract, pricing, and marketing plan for your place with your realtor. 4. Get your property ready for listing. Declutter it, fix any eyesores, complete any unfinished projects, take professional pictures, etc. Number 5, list your property on the market. 6, review offers as you get them and negotiate a contract. Once you have a contract, you will have to hire a real estate attorney unless you already have one. The home inspection and the attorney review process comes in at number 8. Number 9 is the appraisal from the lending institution. And given that all of the above clear, you get to the last and final step, which is the closing, and then you're home free. Once again, this is a high-level overview of the entire process. If you have any questions or you still feel just a little bit confused, don't hesitate to reach out. I'd love to hear what you think, so please drop a comment below. Also, if you found this content valuable and beneficial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Real Estate and Beyond.